The Unit 4 deals with factors affecting the selection of control equipments, working principle, absorption, adsorption, condensation, incineration, biofilters, bioscrubbers, process and monitoring of the above said equipments. There are various types of industries which emits several gases as pollutants in the atmosphere, namely sulfur dioxide, carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, oxides of nitrogen, hydrogen sulfide, etc. Therefore, the selection of control equipments for controlling the emission rate of these gaseous contaminants depends upon the various factors, namely particle size, the concentration of pollutants, corrosivity, volume flow rate, and the required collection efficiency. The air pollution caused by gaseous pollutants like hydrocarbons, sulfur dioxide, carbon monoxide, oxides of nitrogen, etc., can be controlled by using the following methods. The first method, absorption. The second one, adsorption. The third one, combustion or incineration. The fourth one is condensation. What is absorption? Absorption is essentially a chemical process in which molecules, atoms, ions of substances are getting absorbed or enters into a bulk phase of either a gas material or liquid material or solid material in which it is taken up. Here, the gaseous substances are transformed into liquid medium, that is, molecules and atoms are transformed from one phase to another phase. And also, the gaseous substances are absorbed by the liquid droplets, that is, the molecules and atoms of the gaseous contaminants are transferred from the state of gas to the state of liquid. Hence, the molecules are taken up by the volume, not by surface. The principle of gas absorption is a gas liquid contacting process for the gas separation that utilizes preferentially solubility or the chemical reactivity of the pollutant gas in a liquid phase. The application of the principle of absorption used for the removal of various gaseous contaminants like oxides of sulfur, oxides of nitrogen, hydrogen chloride, hydrocarbons, chlorine, ammonia, and hydrogen sulfide. For example, hydrocarbons are removed by the principle of absorption in asphalt batch industries, varnish and resin cookers, coffee roasters, and petroleum refining industries. This principle is also used for the recovery of byproducts like acetic acid, formic acid, chloroform, amines, ketones, etc. The efficiency of the absorption unit depends upon four factors. The first one, surface contact between gas and liquid substances. That is, higher the surface contact of the gas and liquid substance, the amount of absorption of gaseous pollutants will be greater. The second factor is contact time between the gas and liquid substances. If the contact time between the gaseous pollutants and the liquid medium is more, then the rate of absorption is also more. The third factor is concentration of the absorbing medium. If the concentration of the absorbing medium more, then the rate of absorption of gaseous pollutants is also more. The fourth factor is the speed of the reaction between the absorbent and the gas. Higher the rate of the speed of reaction, greater will be the rate of absorption of gaseous pollutants. The working principle of the absorption units is to provide intimate contact between the two phases. The contact between two phases can be accomplished by dispersing the liquid in the gas or vice versa. The various control equipments which work on the principle of absorption are spray towers, plate towers, packed towers, and Venturi scrubbers. The detail of these equipments will be discussed in the next module. Thank you for watching.